Hey y'all, we're going to do a video today on two different sets of grinders. This is the, let's see, I did a video on it before. This is the DCG412. Nice grinder. I got it for $89. Believe it was Home Depot on sale. Nice grinder. All right. Now, we just got the brushless. That's a DCG416B. All right. It's 20 volt flex bolt, brushless, 4.5 inch or 5 inch paddle angle grinder. All right. Let me turn some more lights on here, y'all. Show y'all what's going on here. But yeah, I just want to share that with y'all. Just kind of walking around and doing some stuff. But yeah, we're going to open the box up. We'll be unboxing, and this is up to 54% more power with flex volt batteries. But I'll be using 20 volt because it's lighter. But open it up, got a manual. Woohoo! That's always good to have. Put that right there, because I'll be putting that in a plastic bag, Ziploc bag. I keep all my manuals together. Take it out of the, first of all, we got, this is, take this out of here. All right, we got the grinder. All nice and packaged up. We'll take that out of there. I'm doing this one-handed, y'all. I could put it on a tripod, but oh well. Just doing good to be out here today. I ain't feeling 100%. But right here, you got this button right here that you can push, and you can adjust the wheel any which way you want, and put it back into place. All right. They come with a handle. Let's see what else it come with. Come with a handle, and we'll go ahead and put the handle in. I like using the handle. Just gives me a little extra control. In size comparison, it's pretty good. Y'all remember my other video I did. In fact, this might be a hair smaller. I like that. Here, we'll line them up side by side. And about the same. About the same. Well, it's not any bigger. That's a good thing. All right, let me get a grinding wheel, and I'll be right back, y'all. I mean, grinding wheel, grinding rock, or cutting wheel. Be right there. Well, the heck will I do that? Sorry about that. All my videos are just unedited. But I'll give you a little detail. That's a 2 amp hour battery. Take it off the unlock. That's got a lot of juice. All right. That's awesome. That's the non-brushless model, 4.5 to 5 inch. Okay, and what we'll do, just give me a second. I'm gonna take the wheel off this one and put on this one, the new one, the DCG416B. All right, hold tight. Okay, folks, on this one, you just same thing. It's got, you see where to lock and unlock it. You got a button right here you push. Right here. Let me get this thing unzoomed. All right. You push that button right here. Right here with your finger. And you just turn it. Okay. Anyway, let me put the grinding wheel on there, all right? One second. Okay, this one even has a Allen wrench right here that you can tighten down on it. If need be. I'm tightening it down right now as I speak. Usually when you grind down on the material, it makes it pretty simple. It makes it, you know what I mean. All right. Okay. Now we got a grinding wheel on there. Ready? Okay. Okay. You want to see how many RPMs this one has. But I'll show you the difference. Put the battery in here. It's a 2 amp hour battery also. All right. Okay, now we're going to crank her up. Bear with me. All right. There we go. And it's got a brake. That's nice. I like that. All right. So let's try that again. Okay. You gotta flip the switch right here, safety paddle switch. All right. Now let's do the other one. All right. 1 second here. Okay, y'all. Here's the other grinder. 2 amp hour battery. Okay, ready? No brake on that one, but that's all right. This is $89 for the DCG412. DCG412. It's a 4.5 or 5 inch grinder, but it's got plenty of power. Anything you want to do with it. For $89, $99, you can't beat it. And I got this one on eBay, brand new, for, let me put the cap on here. All right. Okay. But I say this is a 20 volt brushless brake. It's got a brake on it. And perform protect. And this is the DCG416. And this is the DCG412. So, yep. Hey, folks. Well, I want to share that with y'all. Getting ready to work on a project, making a plow, a tongue to put on my disc plow, my big buck disc plow, so I can put behind the 4-wheeler and do some stuff with it and plow fruit plots and all. But here she is again, y'all. DCG416B. But both of them, whether it's $89, $99, oh, great grinder. You ain't gonna get a better grinder for that money. And this one is really awesome, really awesome. About the same amount of RPMs. In fact, I'll see on the box. I think it's only a couple hundred RPMs difference. Paddle switch. Anyway, I believe it's 9,000 RPMs. It says 9,000 RPMs. And the other one I think is 8,100. 8,100 RPMs. So you're pushing about another, almost another 1,000 RPMs with this one. So yeah. All right. Well, we'll cut this video short. I could talk to y'all all day long. Yeah, take my seeing eyeglasses off for a minute there. But yeah, y'all, I want to thank y'all for watching very much. I mean, I like all tools. I don't care if it's Craftsman or Milwaukee. I mean, they're all great. They're all great. I mean, I like Dewalt because of the warranty. 90 days, if you don't like it, you can return it, get your money back. 3-year warranty. Just bang up stuff. I mean, I got Black & Decker industrial tools from the 80s. And I got some Milwaukee's from the 80s. And they're still rocking hard. I mean, I dropped them 200 feet up in the air. The Black & Decker's industrial. And go back down there. The grinder blade be broke. This is from up on top of the boilers. Well, you know, I'm a boilermaker by trade. And bam, I take the grinding wheel off, put a new grinding wheel on. And this was 110. That's way before cordless. I plugged right back in and worked. I was, oh my God, what a tough grinder. So that's why I'm a Dewalt fan, and always have been. And we use them on the job because they're good price. I use them with Tabos, all of them. They're all good grinders, Milwaukee's. So, I mean, whatever you choose, or Bosch, they're all good. Just make sure they got a good warranty and stand behind the product. All right, y'all. Y'all take care. God bless. Semper Fi. Please subscribe, and we'll be back again on the soon. All right. God bless. Semper Fi. Please subscribe. Hoorah. And everything's gonna be all right, y'all. Y'all take care now. Bye-bye.